Suppose you were given the job to protect the border of America. You were protecting the border with Canada. And what are you laughing about? You're trying to keep those crafty Canadians from trying to sneak in. Can anyone see my bar magnet? Over here. We're trying to keep those Canadians from sneaking in magnets. They're always doing that. So one way you could do that is you could set up a door, buy a door at Lowe's, wrap wire around it and hook it up to an ammeter. And whenever those crafty Canadians tried to go through that door, you got them. Now the hard job, the really hard job, is protecting Canada from Americans, because we're a violent people. We try to bring knives and guns and bad things across the border. Now, this will represent a gun. Suppose an American was coming into Canada with a gun. That's just not going to trip the detector. So how could we magnetize this gun so it would trip our detector? Yeah, one thing we could do is we could put a greeter at the border and say, "Excuse me, sir and or madam, could I please see your weapons?" And then just put a magnet on them. That's gonna keep the dumb criminals out. Okay. But another way would be to set up another coil around that door and hook that second coil up to a battery. And then, when they tried to sneak that gun through the first coil, it'd get magnetized. When it went through the second coil, it would trip the switch. Now, did you see that over there? Sorry about that. Now, can you think of a way that you could still get that gun on the plane or through the border? Think of the flashbulb.
Walk slowly.
Walk slowly. It's the old ladies that are packing. Yeah. You gotta throw those old ladies through the door. Yeah, you do. Now, folks, before any of you go down to the airport and try to get through that detector with your gun, believe me, their system doesn't work on DC, it works on AC. You're not going to be able to walk slow enough to get through there. You're going to get a free colonoscopy. Okay, we'll pick this up on Wednesday, folks.
Go farther.